In this video, we are going to be inscribing an equilateral triangle in a circle of a given radius 50 millimeters. So first thing first, we are going to construct the circle. So we go to the circle tool, center radius, and we are going to draw the circle, radius 50, enter, and we will change across to the construction layer, and then we are going to draw a line, or we're just going to draw the radius, which is from the center of the circle to the circumference. Alright, now we can use our array tool to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on the radius that we drew, then we're going to go here and we're going to find the polar array, right? And then we select the point of rotation, which is the center of the circle, and we click and we ensure that the items up here says 6 because we wanted to 6 equal parts. If we wanted 7, we would have choose 7 and press enter, but in this case we want 6, enter. Then we're going to close the array. So here we have it. Now we are going to label our points. So we're going to label this A, B, C, D, E, and F. And F. Correct. So now we have our points labeled. Now we are going to connect all of our points, well, our 3 points for the triangle, which will be A, E, and C, which is every other letter. Right, so we're going to go to the line tool, select A, E, C, and then we go back to A, enter. So this is it. This is our inscribed equilateral triangle in a circle of a given radius 50 millimeters.